Letitia James filed the note of issue, which means that her trial is ready to go, and she checked trial without jury. Then Trump's team, Alina Habba and Chris Keiss and whoever else, had 15 days to respond, and they could have checked the box.
Baloney.
It isn't baloney.
That is baloney.
It doesn't mean that, that the judge couldn't have said that it should be a bench trial. Where did they file it?
That is not true.
It is true.
This is a case in equity. Equity means that the judge decides and not a jury. It is a case for disgorgement. It is not a case for damages. Ergo, it is equity, no jury. And stop pushing this idea that they were incompetent. Let me tell you what incompetent is. Incompetent is a judge who says, I let my emotions decide whether I should go this way or that way in a trial. That's baloney, okay? I was a judge. You leave your emotions outside the door. You make a decision based on the facts and the law. And this judge should be removed pursuant to the administrative rules of the unified court system in New York for bias and prejudice against the defendant in this case. This judge says he supports Letitia James in going after Donald Trump, and this is a quote, because he's a bad guy. This judge should be removed. Whatever decision he makes should be reversed because he is an embarrassment. And I'm not done yet. Let me tell you something. This is a courtroom with no cameras, except he allowed them in. And let me tell you, when I was a judge, if there were no cameras in the courtroom, they wouldn't dare step in my courtroom. That judge allowed them to come in. He took his glasses off to look like a big deal and to make Donald Trump look like a defendant, all right? This judge, he should never have given the impression that there was an option to have a jury, because that's incompetent in itself. It is prejudice to the defendant. And then he says, nobody asked for a jury trial. There is no jury trial. This is the same judge who was not competent enough to understand what a statute of limitations is and made a finding of $250 million on a case that was barred by the statute of limitations. So don't talk about this judge and jury trials.